Ansible was the right tool for 2015.
Static servers, predictable configurations, human-triggered runs. In 2026, the average enterprise Ansible repository contains 340 playbooks, 47 with failing tests nobody has fixed, and playbooks last touched by engineers who left the company 2 years ago. Platform teams spend an average of 22 hours per week maintaining Ansible, debugging idempotency failures, updating modules for new OS versions, and rewriting playbooks when infrastructure changes. AI agents are replacing this entire paradigm with adaptive configuration management that learns, adapts, and self-heals.
The fundamental mismatch is architectural.
Ansible is imperative, it describes steps to reach a desired state. Cloud-native infrastructure is declarative, you describe the desired state and the platform converges.
Ansible inventories are static files listing servers. Cloud-native workloads are ephemeral pods live for minutes, nodes scale dynamically, IPs change constantly.
When your Ansible inventory is wrong, playbooks target the wrong hosts or miss new ones entirely. When a playbook has a subtle idempotency bug, the second run breaks what the first run fixed.
AI agents don't maintain inventories or write playbooks. They observe the actual state and converge toward the desired state continuously. AI configuration agents operate on a continuous observe-compare-act loop. They pull the desired state from your GitOps repository, same source of truth as your deployments. They observe actual state through API calls to your cloud provider, Kubernetes API, and service endpoints. When drift is detected, the agent generates convergence actions, not pre-written playbooks, but dynamic commands tailored to the specific drift. It applies the fix, verifies the result, and logs the action. If verification fails, it rolls back and tries an alternative approach.
This is configuration management without playbooks, without inventories, and without idempotency bugs. A logistics company with 450 servers and 80 Kubernetes clusters migrated from Ansible to AI configuration management over 6 months. Their Ansible repo had 340 playbooks managing OS hardening, package installation, service configuration, and monitoring agent deployment.
Month 1, AI agent deployed in read-only mode, scanning actual state across all infrastructure.
Month 2, agent generated a drift report, 31% of servers didn't match their Ansible-defined state.
Month 3, agent began auto-remediating drift on non-production systems.
Month 4, production servers migrated in batches of 50.
Month 6, Ansible decommissioned.
Result, 22 hours per week of maintenance dropped to 3 hours.
Complex configurations are where AI agents shine brightest.
Multi-OS environments, Ansible needs separate playbooks per OS with different package managers and paths.
The agent detects the OS and generates appropriate commands dynamically. Database cluster configuration, Ansible playbooks for PostgreSQL replication are notoriously brittle.
The agent monitors replication lag, connection counts, and WAL status, adjusting configuration parameters based on actual workload. Network policy management, instead of static iptables rules and playbooks, the agent maintains policies based on observed traffic patterns, automatically opening required ports and closing unused ones.
Each scenario eliminates hundreds of lines of fragile YAML. Compliance teams love AI configuration management for one reason: the audit trail. Every configuration change is logged with timestamp, triggering condition, action taken, and verification result. Compliance reports generate automatically CIS benchmark compliance, SOC2 configuration controls, PCI DSS requirements. One financial services company replaced their quarterly manual compliance audit, which took 2 engineers 2 weeks, with continuous automated compliance checking. Their audit findings dropped from 47 per quarter to 3. Not because they lowered standards, but because configuration drift was eliminated instead of discovered months later. AI agents don't require ripping out your entire toolchain. They integrate with what you already have. Terraform defines infrastructure. Kubernetes orchestrates workloads. GitOps repos define desired application state. The AI agent sits on top, ensuring running systems match declared state and remediating drift. During migration, Ansible and the agent run in parallel: Ansible for legacy systems, the agent for cloud-native workloads. Over time, Ansible's scope shrinks until it's decommissioned. Most teams keep Terraform and GitOps exactly as they are. The agent replaces only the configuration management layer, the most maintenance-heavy, error-prone layer in the stack. The cost comparison is stark. Ansible total cost of ownership, $156,000 annually. That includes AWX or Ansible Tower licensing, dedicated maintenance headcount at 60% FTE, and incident costs from configuration drift estimated at $34,000 from 3 major outages caused by playbook failures in our case study. AI agent TCO, $48,000. Platform subscription, API costs, and reduced maintenance at 15% FTE. Net savings, $108,000. Plus the intangible benefit, your platform engineers stop being YAML plumbers and start building capabilities. Start this week. Step 1. Deploy an AI configuration agent in read-only mode on your staging environment. Let it scan for 2 weeks and generate a drift report. Step 2. Review the drift report with your team. It will reveal how far your actual state has diverged from your Ansible-defined state. Step 3. Enable auto-remediation on staging for your top 5 most maintained playbooks. Compare agent results with Ansible runs. Step 4. If parity is confirmed, begin migrating production systems in small batches. Keep Ansible running in parallel until you're confident. The migration path is low risk because the agent proves itself before taking over. Ansible served the industry well for a decade. But cloud-native infrastructure demands adaptive, continuous configuration management, not static playbooks maintained by overworked platform teams. AI agents deliver that today, with proven migration paths and measurable ROI. Your Ansible repo is technical debt with a maintenance bill attached. Start your drift analysis this week and see how much that bill actually is. I'm AI DevOps Daily. Next episode, we combine FinOps and AI to cut cloud bills by 40% automatically.